segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! I'm going to show you
this Chicago Electric welding cart.
This is actually pretty nice quality, I think. There's a couple of wheels. Oh yeah, you can smell how new it is. The instructions. There's another tray in here. Let's see how they want you to put it together. Rubber wheels I'm smelling. Oh, those cotter pins are stronger than they need to be. It's hard to do because that axle wants to turn. So it came with an extra cotter pin as well. And I think there's plenty of extra hardware here. Make it work. Look how bad that is. It works, so.
Yeah, if the tolerancing scheme was checked out, made to tolerance, it should still work. It's called form, fit, or function, the 3 F's. I'll speed things up here while the screws go in. The rest of this assembly is mainly putting in screws. So the series of the 3 holes go on the top. We're going to need this back plate.
Yeah, let's do that next, I reckon.
And these 2 holes go up top, upwards.
It looks like it's got, you gotta scoot it
I think you need to
all the way to here.
see that warning tag. I think that needs to go on the outside, so you have to flip it or spin it.
I believe you're right. So this actually goes right
There you go.
A lot thinner than I had originally imagined.
Yeah, it's not very thick gauge, but it's only a 100-pound cart, so the welder weighs 24 pounds. But we're going to be putting a tank in here, and there'll probably be, well, a weld gun and some spools of wire.
Gas tank's probably 20 pounds.
Yeah. So we'll be getting 75% of that. 75 to 80% of that. For you, I'll set the camera down. All right, finishing up the top shelf. And you want to be cognizant of this angle going up so that the angles line up here in the back. The screws that go through it. And the lip pen's down in the front. That's where the welder will sit, and we'll get it out here after a bit. Meantime, we did go ahead and get those hooks put on. What do those hooks hold?
That will hold the gun.
The gun and the
ground. The gun and the ground.
The ground cable and the weld gun. There's one on each side. Alright, looks like it's about done. We're tightening all the screws now. And it's done. We have the welder on there. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.